Hey guys, Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2015 P389 factory built glider kit to show you. Built with a pre-elog 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed, 855 on the clock, 65,000 miles on a complete engine overhaul. Done with the in-frame kit, head, and injectors. I've gotten it hot today, so I'm gonna do a full walk around, show you blow by, oil pressure, interior, exterior, everything that you'd want to see as if you were standing here. Let's get started. Engine compartment's clean. Excellent steers, frame rail's clean. Southern truck, no rust. Good looking blow by. Like the previous owner, changed out those Peterbilt ovals, that blue to match his truck. It's pretty cool. Got just enough flare. I don't like them overly done, but this one's call it tastefully done. This one's built with the it's got the enclosed headache rack on it too. Nice light bar on the back. Good match virgin rubber, all aluminum. There's slide fifth wheel. Platinum interior. Nice and clean on the inside. Your 13 speed, extra gauges. Here's your miles. But operating temp. Great low side oil pressure. Super responsive, oil pressure jumps up like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, definitely feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.